Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Now, last week, guys, was so tough for me. I had such a rough week in my Etsy store. I felt like I was putting out fires every single day. So I didn't film a vlog, although in retrospect, I kind of feel like I should have, just so you guys could see some of the stresses that I go through owning an Etsy store, because it's definitely not all a piece of cake around here. I mean, I kind of feel like something goes wrong every day. If it's just something little and minor, sometimes the cutters don't work, your printer runs out of ink, the computer crashes. Those are all minor things. Now, last week was a little different because I felt like they were a lot bigger things. Like the first of the week, I had a customer contact me saying that the Hallmark movie lineup changed. Some of the movies weren't even worded the same. I think it was like a Veterans Christmas and then a Soldier's Christmas. Some of the movies were on different days, and then they also added a brand new movie to their lineup, and lots of people had already ordered it and I had shipped those out. So I felt like it was my responsibility to go out and try and find everybody that had ordered the sticker sheet and replace it with the new lineup. Now, I don't even know if that is a new lineup because TV Guide still has all of the lineup that I did on the initial sheet, but Hallmark has it completely different. So if you did order it and you have the two sticker sheets, I would keep both of them because TV Guide still has it as my lineup and the Hallmark channel has it as a totally different lineup. So I would check your listings, and I did say that to everybody that I had replaced the sticker sheet, and you guys were so super sweet about it, so I really appreciate that. Then I had one of the worst reviews on my Etsy store. That was another thing, and of course it was heartbreaking because I love to please everybody. And then yesterday, oh my gosh, my heart completely sank. My computer and my hard drive totally crashed on me. It was just one of those weeks, guys, and really what got me through it is all of you guys that ordered the Christmas sticker sheet. I got such amazing comments and feedback from you guys when you got the replacement sheet, so thank you so much. Waking up every morning to a message thanking me for the new sticker sheet really helped me get through this week. So I want to thank you guys right off the bat. I appreciate every single one of you. I totally read your comments down below. I know most of you guys that watch my channel, so I really do appreciate all that you guys do for me as well. So let's go ahead and get started with today's vlog. I am ready to go and so excited to do these sticker bundles. So today I'm going to be printing and cutting all of my sticker bundles. Thankfully, all of the artwork is still there and I didn't have to redo it. If I had to, I would have. It's not the end of the world. It just would have been a lot more work. So today, let's start out on a good note. Fresh coffee, I have my diffuser going, and let's start cutting those bundles. Alright, I just finished off my list of everything I need to print and cut today. It is quite a bit, so I need to get going on it. I do have 3 different sticker options available for my sticker bundles. That is changing. I did get rid of my matte removable and my glossy paper because I absolutely love the brand new matte vinyl. It's just so much better quality, a lot nicer, silkier, smooth finish to it. But for the people that have already signed up for the matte removal and the glossy, I'm still honoring those things, so I'm definitely having them available in the shop for a bit longer for older items that still have that. So let's go ahead and start cutting. guys, I just finished cutting all of the matte removable sticker bundles, and I think that that's probably all I can get done before going to the post office. I did finish off my orders, so I'll bring those to the post office as well. You guys can see my big old stack over here, so I need to finish cutting all of these today to go out in tomorrow's shipment. This is all of the matte vinyl, and then I have the glossy that I still need to print out. So let's go ahead and show you how I package these up and head to the post office. Looks like the swans are still here. Can't even tell which one the baby is anymore. It looks just like a grown-up. I'm surprised how big it is. Alright, I just got home and I had a ton of packages waiting for me. Now, most of them are for the shop, so I don't really want to show you what those are yet. There are going to be some surprises coming up soon. You guys can see Patty's over here because she wants to see what's inside this box too and probably claim it as her own, but this box is beat up, guys, so I am a little nervous to see if what is in here has survived. So let's get this open. I thought I'd show you guys what I got. Alrighty. Well, it looks like they have a little bit of like styrofoam on the top here, so maybe they made it. Ooh, so exciting. These ones look good. Oh, this one's a little bent up, which kind of sucks because this pink one is my favorite color. Oh, hopefully I can get this bent out of shape. So, if you guys remember in one of my studio vlogs, I bought some plastic containers from Michaels, and I really did like them, but I really like the idea of having these dividers, and I know I could make them for the Michaels containers, which I might do because these are kind of expensive. I think I bought them for like $3 a piece. And the Michaels containers, I got 3 of them for $2. I mean, I think it was like 50% off sale, but you guys can always wait for a 50% off with anything over there. So it's definitely a better value, and the Michaels ones are better quality. But I kind of like these better, even though they're more expensive and not as good quality. Hopefully I can get this one bent out of shape and show you guys what I have in store for them. Alright guys, so I got these to hold all of my decals. I used to have these in like an acrylic tray that I just had laying down in them, and this works so much better. I had bought this intending to use for my enamel pins, and like I said, I can still do that, that and line them all up, especially if I'm just selling like one of the sweet cakes. I can have all of this for sweet cakes in there. Same thing with the Johnny cakes. I can use this for all of them. But if I want to have just a couple, I like the idea of having this divider. So I love it. I think that this was a great purchase. I might actually return the other 3 because I really like them. So yay, super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's studio vlog. Now I've been thinking a lot today that since I had such a tough week last week, I know that there's a lot of Etsy shop owners or people that really are interested in opening up their own Etsy shop. Now I thought that maybe what I could do is do small videos on little tips that I have learned since I have opened up my Etsy stores, because I do get a lot of questions, you know, asking me like what sticker paper I use, how I use my cutters, things like that. I think that maybe short videos showing you like some of those problems or issues or what I get to use with my products might be very helpful for you guys. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see some videos like that, and if you have any questions or anything about the Etsy shop, definitely let me know down below. It will help me in what type of videos to make for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned to the end of the video where you guys will see me doodle for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more studio vlogs, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!